Hello everyone. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna show you what my routine is to get my nails this long. It's the first time I actually get my nails this long. It's been since March. I have a video showing my nail progress from May to July, since they were like really short, and like until right now. And I'm so happy because before I had to do my acrylic nails and waste my own nail, and it was crazy because then when you take the acrylic nail, your nails hurt and they're really wasted. Alright, so first I use this. Okay, I leave it for the whole night. I just already took it out. It's a nail treatment oil. Okay, you could use anything you want. Okay, I file my nails. Alright, this is the way I do it. So I'm gonna try to do it kind of fast because I know time is running and you don't want to be like, okay, hurry up, okay, you don't file your nails like this. It's better like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so I already finished, right? I use Nail Tech 2 Plus, and I like this one because this is the strongest they have for excessive nail problem. And this is the first time I get my nails this long. Okay, it's not like I haven't done like that for since I was like, I don't know, 15. I have used acrylic all the time and they really wasted my nail, and actually I know how to do my own acrylic nails at home. Really easy to do. And I got tired because I don't have time to do acrylic nails, and you have to be on top of them every 15 days or every week. And I have 2 kids and I go to school, and between home, school, kids, at the end of the day, I just don't have energy to do my own nails, and I don't have any time either, or any money, extra money to go to the eye or beauty salon, whatever you call it, to do my nails. I don't have any time for that anymore. It's 3 classes, 2 kids, a house, whole husband, and then it's crazy. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stop doing my acrylic nails. I don't have time for that. So I was like, whoa, I can't do like that with my nails. So horrible. I gotta do something. So I try everything to get my nails strong. So some of them were like helping, but they were like, my nails were breaking, still were breaking. So I found this. It's about $10 at the CVS, Walgreens, whatever, or maybe Walmart. You can order it online too. And see how it is. It's been already like 3 months that I had it, and I still have plenty. For $10, it's worth it. Instead of buying those that are like $5, $6, and they're like, you have to buy them every month. It's really worth it. I love it, and as soon as I'm done with this one, I'm gonna get another one at Walgreens, whatever. So what else? I use those Sally Hansen nail file too. It's really cheap. It's not that expensive, and it's great. It comes 2 in 1 package. It's about $2 or $3. I can't remember, but it's good. I love it. Oh yeah, you gotta have to read the instructions, because when you have excessive nail problems, the first time you use it and they're like wasted, and don't think that just because you're gonna use this, the wasted part of your nail is gonna get really strong. It's not gonna break. They will break. So don't be like, oh, this crap doesn't work. No, you gotta wait for your wasted nail to grow out. But that's about it. Also try to use cleaning gloves when you're doing your dishes in your bathroom, because you expose your nails to water a lot all day long, they will get really bad. They will not grow. They will get really weak and break really easy. Okay, so I hope these tips will help you, and subscribe, and if you want any special videos, let me know. Alright, bye.